In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an image to a strip in Wix. To commence, let's first identify the strip we want to edit in the Wix editor. Once the strip is selected, a toolbar should appear as a signal that we're on the right track. Within this toolbar, you will find an option labeled Change Background. Please click this. Following this, your job is to decide where your image is going to come from. Wix offers two options for this. The first option is to select an image directly from the Wix Media Manager. This is great if you already have your preferred image saved in Wix. If you don't have any saved images, don't fret. The second option permits you the ability to upload your own image by clicking Upload Media. This way, you can create a unique and personalized touch to your strip with an image sourced from your own collection. Now that we've added the image, it's time to customize it to our liking. To do this, we will follow a similar process to what we did before to add the image. That is, selecting the strip and clicking Change Background on the toolbar. After clicking on Change Background, we need to go in Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, a selection of options will be available for you to customize your image. First off, you have Image Opacity. This enables you to adjust how transparent the image will appear. Feel free to play around with the transparency until the image becomes either lighter or darker, depending upon your liking. Next, we have Color Behind Image. This feature allows you to choose a background color that will show through if the image opacity is lowered. Play around with different colors until you find the one that complements your image the best. Lastly, under Settings, we have an option called Scaling. In this section, you can select how your image should be scaled. For instance, you might want your image to fit the dimensions of the strip perfectly. If so, select the option Scale to Fit. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to maintain the original size of the image, select Original Size. As you can see, Wix provides several options to customize your strip just the way you want it. The key is to experiment and have fun while creating your website. That concludes our tutorial on how to add and customize an image to a strip in Wix. Happy editing!